Or was it Jonah?
It's hurt.
Oh, is it, sweetie? I loaded. What's that?
Good.
Yeah. I loaded Alina's plate up. She's loving it. Sausage is still cooking. But the sauerkraut is a big hit.
Mommy, if you don't like it, I can have it. No, it's tart and yummy.
It's yummy, right? It just puckers your face up. It's nice and crunchy, huh, Alina?
I just don't like it. It's tart. It's tart. It's tart. It's tart.
Good for you. Good for your body. Your body has a system. Vitamins. Right.
Daddy, show it at me again. Show it up. No,
Alright.
no, look at my plate.
You bounced that off. Alina, I give you a mound.